Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you unboxing of Redmi Note 4. Let us This is our product. Let us open it. Here you can see this is our Mi Note 4 phone. Let us open it. Here are the some instructions which you can by which you can control your phone, and this is also some about Mi Note 4, and here is our Redmi Note 4. Here you can see it look like this. These are sensor, and they have give USB charger. Let us open our phone. I will open the switch. Here you can see mi.com. It takes some time to open. You can see guys, now it is open. You can see guys how beautiful this is. In settings. Thank you for watching.